Guys, you can see we have AdSense pin, and see, actually this is our address. This one, which one we have right now here in this, which address you have given, that address, in that address only your AdSense pin will be delivered. See here they have mentioned, if undelivery, it's for the who do the cargo. If undelivery, please return to this address, Malaysia. They are showing this address. So this is our address, and we received, and this is the, actually this is the six digit pin. This pin is very important to verify your address. So this is sent by Google AdSense, and here they have mentioned, see, step by step how to add this pin in your account to verify the address. See, sign into your AdSense account, www.google.com/adsense/ with your email and address. I have to log in, and step 2, click the gear icon, this one, setting icon, select payments. There also you can do, or else once you log in it will show in the screen only. So I will show the steps. Step 3, in the left navigation bar, click account information, then click verify address. That's it. Step 4, enter the pin, which this pin is provided. Now this pin we have to enter and submit the pin. That's it. Your account will be verified. So now I'm going to show in my screen, step by step how to do this. Okay, wait guys. Now I on my screen. Now I will directly go to Google. See, I open the Google here. Here I have to write Google AdSense. That's it. Then the first option, Google AdSense, earn money from website monetization. You have to click here. And from here you have to sign in. See the sign in option. Sign in. The sign in is going on. See, my account is already signed in, so I will just change my account. Yeah, this account, my Google AdSense is there. See, my Google AdSense is here. So you can see my total balance is $18, and so far I not get any money because this is my first time to get money from YouTube. It's $18. And see, verify your billing address. We emailed you a pin on February 1st 2020. It should take 2 to 4 weeks to arrive. Verify your address by entering the pin we sent you. This one, see this, see here, verify. I have a option here, verify. You just click this verify option. That's it. I will click here. See, it's asking enter your pin. You will find the 6-digit pin in the letter we sent you. Your pin. You have 3 attempts remaining. If you enter wrong 3 times, it will be rejected. So you have to enter your pin now. So this is my pin. You can see, guys. This is my pin. I am going to enter now. 441257. So I entered my pin. Now I have to submit. That's it. See, I am going to submit. See, you can see the billing address has been verified. Thanks for providing the pin. This message is came. Now what you have to do, the next step is you have to go to the payments. See, you can see here the payments are currently on hold because you have not verified your address. But I don't know why it is coming like this. I already verified my pin. Wait a second. See, you are earning 18.14. Guys, you can see here, see how to get paid. You have an option here, add. You can see add payment methods. Hope you can see add payments method. Here you have to add payments. You have to click. So you are getting two options here: add new wire transfer, add new check details. So you have to go to add new wire transfer only. If you click here, you will get these details. You can see beneficiary id, beneficiary id optional. This one is not required. Name on bank account, I'm writing my wife's name. This is my wife's channel, Maria Corazon. So you can see this is my wife's channel, so I am writing her name. And bank name they are asking. It's okay. bank को दे रो BDO Unibank bank तो रो BDO. Yeah, the next, this is the bank name, and this one is the Swift ID. You can easily get your Swift ID from your bank if you search in the Google. There you can search from this bank, this branch, what is the Swift ID. You will get very easily. Here our Swift ID is BNORPHMM. PNORPHMM. This is the Swift ID actually, and BNORPHMM. So, and the next option is bank account. You have to write your bank account. I'm writing the bank account. You have to retype the bank account. You can see here one option here: to receive payments by wire transfer, contact your bank for exchange rates and fees. Bank account must be located in Philippines and in US dollar currency, like this. There is one more option here. I write the bank account already. Intermediate bank transfer. So this, I think for this you don't need any intermediate bank transfer, because the money is directly coming from US. So see, when money is coming from some other country, then intermediate bank is required as per my experience, but I'm not sure. You can see here, if you click intermediate bank name, this is bank name must be from US. See, if your right transfer is going through an intermediate bank, it must be based in US. It must be based in US, in United States. Why? The YouTube is from United States only, so you don't need this intermediate bank transfer, as per me. But if some banks have if your Philippines bank have a intermediate bank, you can ask your bank and have. This is the optional only. You can see here optional, so you don't require here. And FFC, FBC, ask your bank. FFC or FBC? What is this? If your bank requires for further credit FFC for FBO, add instruction exactly as your bank specifies. Further credits for benefits, it's also optional, so I'm not going to do this. I will just see set as a primary payment method. I'm going to save this only. Just click the save. Wire transfer to bank account. See, you can another bank account also whenever you require. This is the primary account, and you can add whenever required. You can add another bank. You can add it also. Maria Corazon account 723 is my last account. This is the steps to add the bank account. See, now bank account is added here. That's it, guys, regarding this Google AdSense pins and add your bank account. Thank you very much. Thank you very much to watch our video, and please support, guys. And thanks a lot. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.